So this is the demo for the last activity, which is the challenge activity, which implement a complex topology. This is how the topology diagrams looks like. And the learning objective is about using Python to build a complex Boolean topology in Mininet, implement the bandwidth and latency, after that virtualize using the OpenDaylight web interface. In here, I provided a solution which is the VTN that you can create using the Boron version, and then after that test network and match expected output. So this is the configuration that I'm trying to set. So the solution for the challenges, which is this is the script that I will explain now. So what this script does basically is import all the components. After that, this code is about checking whether the VLAN is installed. If it doesn't install, then provide messages which is sudo apt-get install VLAN. After that, this is the classes for the VLAN host. This is the place that you add all the hosts, which is you need to specify the VLAN ID. For this example, there's 8 hosts, so it's like 100 to 400, both of them. After that, you create 4 switches. And then after that, in the add link, you set the bandwidth and the delay for 2 hosts of them, 2 for each. After that, this is the name of the topology. So what I'm going to do now is I try to run this program. So this is the OpenDaylight controller. After that, this is the name of the Python and then topology. Because I'm not in the folder, cd mininet and then cd custom. It say the VLAN is installed and then create all the components. And there's adding links, there's bandwidth and delay which show in here. So let's virtualize using OpenDaylight. Have already implemented in the UI. Now what I want to do is I want to type the ping all so that the host will appear. This is the test ping reachability. As you can see, he matched the expected output. So let's virtualize using OpenDaylight. So this is the 4 switches with the 8 hosts, and then you can able to implement the VTN. So this is the configuration VTN for the Boron version. If you want to implement this VTN in this particular scenario, you can use the Belerium version, which I showed just now, which is in the VLAN topology. You can implement that in here. The reason I give this Boron version as well, just to provide like more solution for the problem. So if someone downloaded the Boron version, they can able to use this URL to implement VTN. This is the end of my demo. Thank you.